the blessing of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. I love rainy season. Today we will read a book of rainy season. What season says? Today have a book of rainy season. Hey, clouds are moving. Looks like it's about to rain. I love the rainy season. Moving winds indicate the rain. I feel very excited when raindrops fall on my head. I love to play in the rain, so I call my friends to play. When I come back with wet hair, I enjoy a lot when my mom rubs my hair with a towel. When it rains, weather becomes pleasant inside and outside the house. Having hot milk and snacks makes me feel very good in the rainy season. When I go outside on a rainy day, I wear my raincoat and carry my umbrella to take care of my health. Take care, Allah Hafiz. Now enjoy the rain!